As you know that we are doing our chapter number 5, data handling, and today we are going to learn the two things, chance and probability. Okay, so when we talk about chance, chance means suppose one day you went outside and doesn't carry, or you forgot to take your raincoat during the rainy season, and it was just rain. Okay, so it could be a chance, and each day you carry the raincoat, and that day the rain doesn't happen, but when you just forgot one day and it just rain, so it is a chance. We take another examples on the railway station. When you every day you reach little bit late and the train is on time, and one day you reach on time or before time, the train reach, you find the train is late. So it was also happen example of chance. Okay, now we will talk about the probability. You can understand it by the example. Probability means, suppose during the election day, what is the probability for the exit polls? Suppose there are 250 voters in a school, and what is the probability to win your friend? Suppose you find you just guess that 100 students vote your friend, then you can say that it is very rare chances to win. Okay, so it should be more than 201. Suppose then you say that, or 201, then you can say that it is chances of winning. Okay, so when you find the chances out of some events, then you can say that it is a probability. Clear? So there is a little bit difference, chance and probability. Question number first of exercise 5.1. List the outcomes you can see in this experiment. Okay, जो आपके रिजल्ट्स है, आउटकम्स जिसको रिजल्ट बोलते हैं, वो आपको बताना है. स्पिनिंग व्हील्स, तो स्पिनिंग को व्हील को जब स्पिन करते हैं तो क्या क्या आउटकम आ सकते हैं? ए, बी, सी एंड डी, इसमें से कोई भी आ सकता है. ओके, इन्होंने आउटकम्स पूछा तो हम बोलेंगे दिस आर द आउटकम्स. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, टॉसिंग टू कॉइन्स टुगेदर. हम दो कॉइन्स को एक साथ में हम टॉस करते हैं, लाइक दिस आर द टू कॉइन्स, है ना. तो अब इसमें एक तरफ हेड है, इसकी बैक तरफ टेल, ये हेड, इसकी बैक की साइड टेल. तो व्हाट कुड बी द आउटकम्स? दोनों को उछालते हैं, दोनों हेड भी आ सकते हैं, बोथ आर टेल, वन हेड एंड वन टेल, वन टेल एंड वन हेड. सो टोटल 4 outcomes. So what do you say? 4 outcomes. Okay, so this is the example. Now we move to the question number second. When a dice is thrown, list the outcomes of the event getting. Okay, तो हम किसी भी डाइस को थ्रो करते हैं, है ना, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 इसमें से कोई भी एक नंबर आ सकता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ऑन दैट बेसिस, ए, अ प्राइम नंबर. सो यू शुड नो व्हाट आर द प्राइम नंबर्स. प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2 3 एंड 5. ठीक है, ये प्राइम नंबर है. द प्राइम नंबर्स मीन्स दोज आर कम्स इन देयर मल्टीपल्स, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ प्राइम नंबर. और दोज नंबर विच आर डिवाइड बाय इटसेल्फ, आपकी लैंग्वेज में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो दोज नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ, you can say that it is a prime number. और the numbers which are having factor 1 and the number itself. These are the prime number. So you find that there are 3 prime numbers. So what is the 3 prime numbers? What are these prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. When we talk about question number second, it is said that not a prime number. So these are the numbers which are not circled. Okay, so these are the not prime number 1, 4 and 6. Now we move to the question number third. So a number greater than 5. Okay, greater than 5 is there is only one number, that is 6. Okay, now question number 4, a number not greater than 5. The numbers which are not greater than 5 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the answers. Okay, it is so simple. Now we move to the question number third. The question number third is a find probability of the pointer stopping on D in question number 1. As you know that we have just solved question number first a few minutes ago. So you can see the diagram. On that diagram there were 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 parts were there, and it's asked that probability means probability of getting D means there is only one section of having D, and there are total 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the answer. Now we move to the question number second. Probability of getting an egg from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. We know that there are 4 eggs out of 52 playing cards. So you can say that P of ACE, probability of getting egg 4 upon 52, and the numbers are cut. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4 and 4 is 12. So 1 upon 13 is the answer. Now we move to the next part. Question number C is based on that diagram. Probability of getting a red apple. So count how many apples are there. Probability of getting red apple, ER will give them. So there are 7 apples. Okay, now count how many are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 4 upon 7 is the answer. It is so. Question number 4. Question number 4 is that the number 1 to 10 are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are written on 10 separate slips. Okay, kept in a box and mixed well. Okay, इसको मिक्स कर दिया है एक बॉक्स में डाल के. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of? So question number first is that the probability of getting 6 means P6. Probability of getting 6 out of 10 numbers, there is only one number of having 6 written. So it is one number out of 10. So this is the answer. Okay, now we move to the question number B. Probability of getting less than 6. Probability of, तो ये लिखेंगे less than 6. Less than 6. Okay, so that is count how many numbers are there. Total numbers are 10. So less than 6 are only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers are there. The numbers are cut by each other. 5 with the 5, 5 with the 10. So the number is 2. 1 upon 2 is the answer. Please cut the number so that you will get the answer. Now question number 3, getting a number greater than 6. Now getting a number greater than 6. So greater than 6 का मतलब हुआ कि 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 10 is the answer. So the number is cut. 2 to the 4 and 2 5 is 10. So your number is 2 by 5 is the answer. Now we move to the Next part, that is fourth question, getting one digit number. Getting a one digit number. So count how many numbers are having one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits. The number 10 are having 2 digits. So there are total 9 numbers out of 10. The numbers are not cut. So this is the answer. You can write in a proper way. So probability of having one digit is equal to 9 by 10 is the answer. So it is so simple. So now we move to the question number 5. If you are having a spinning wheel with 3 green sector, the spinning wheel is that you are having 3 green sector, one is blue sector and one is red sector. What is the probability of getting the green sector? The two questions are asked together. First is for PG, means probability of getting green sector. So you know that there are 3 green sector, 1, 2, 3 out of 5. Now probability of getting non-green sector, there are 2 numbers which are not green. Okay, so it's 2 upon 5. So this is the answer. Here it is so simple.